Hey everybody, Mr. A here with Tuesday's Tech Tip of the Week. Today we're going to focus on 3 different powerful accessibility features to maximize learning with Chromebooks. Tip number 1 is the mouse cursor option. So one of the accessibility features, you actually can make the cursor larger or draw more attention to it by highlighting. In order to access this and other accessibility features, you click in the bottom right hand corner, choose accessibility, and then scroll down to either large mouse cursor or highlight mouse cursor. So accessibility here. You can see I can scroll down and choose large mouse cursor, and when that happens, the arrow becomes much bigger. I also can choose the highlight mouse cursor, and you can see there are other options there you might want to check out to see if they help you in your learning. Tip number 2 is to use the dictation feature. Dictation means as you talk, the computer will type for you. And we know we have this option in Google Docs, but if you access it here via the accessibility menu on your Chromebook, you can use it on any website, not just in a Google tool. So to do that, you'll go Accessibility and Dictation. A microphone icon will appear on the bottom of your screen. You'll then put your cursor where it is you want it to type. Click the icon for the microphone and start to talk and watch it make it into typing. So you can see we're finishing up here on this. It's going to go back to the beginning. If I go to the bottom right-hand corner and then I click the Accessibility tab and then I choose Dictation, you can see that microphone appear where the red circle is at the bottom of my screen. When I put my cursor where I want and I click that icon, it will start to type what I say. So another example of dictation as a second accessibility feature you might want to check out. Tip number 3 is to use Select to Speak. So Select to Speak is where the Chromebook actually reads to you the text that's on the page. This is very, very helpful for all of our students. So to do that, you'll click Accessibility and then Select to Speak. A speaker icon will appear in the bottom, kind of like where you saw that microphone icon, which I'll show you on the next screen. You'll hold the search key and you sort of draw a box around what you want read to you, and it will read it and highlight the word that it's reading to you, and then it will, you can continue to do that as you make your way through the document. So one more time here. As you can see here, I've selected my text, and as it reads it to me, it's going to make it blue, and it's going to actually read it out loud, which you're not hearing now, but promise me, it works. So again, Select to Speak. Then you hold that search key, click drag across, and it's going to read this paragraph for me using the Select to Speak accessibility feature. Some closing thoughts here for you. Accessibility really is for everybody, so it's not just somebody that might have a special need or some sort of concern that is addressed by these, but it really is something that can be beneficial for all of us. There are more features available than the ones I've shown you. There are lots, so I would definitely experiment with those and see which ones are best for your learning. Headphones are definitely best for anything like the dictation and Select to Speak. And remember, the goal of these is to enhance and support your learning, so we want to make sure the tools we choose to use are in fact making our learning better. Those are 3 powerful accessibility features to maximize your learning with Chromebooks. For Tuesday's Tech Tip of the Week, I'm Mr. A.